So, before we proceed to the presentation of our objects po, first let me discuss what economic globalization is. Economic globalization refers to the growing interconnection among the world's national economies through cross-border trade, investment, the sharing of technology, labor migration, and capital flows po. According to the Washington International Trade Association, economic globalization broadly refers to the increasing integration of national economies around the world po, particularly through trade and financial flows. Now let's proceed to our first object.
Hello everyone, good morning. The first object is coffee. I use coffee as an example. Okay, finish. Yes, ma'am.
Now, now let's proceed to our next object po. Ipapakita ni Miss Domingo. Yan. Hard hat po. Firstly, according to Occupational Safety and Health Administration or OSHS, a hard hat is a type of protective helmet po commonly worn by construction and factory workers to shield their heads po from injuries caused by falling objects, impacts, or electrical hazards. It is made of strong materials like highly density plastics and includes a suspension system po inside to absorb shocks and protect the wearer. So it is used all over the world, shows how important safety is in many different type of works po. And this leads us to our first point on how the hard hat is connected to the concept of economic globalization. So the hard hat po is a strong symbol of economic globalization because it connects global trade, jobs, and technology. First po is economic impact. Habang patuloy po ang paggawa ng mga tulay, skyscrapers, factories, or transport systems sa iba't ibang bansa, tumataas din po yung demand para sa hard hats sa buong mundo. Dahil po dito, mas lumalago po yung production at trade ng construction materials, nagka-create po ng millions of jobs from factory workers making the hats to engineers building infrastructure, and it drives economic growth po in both developing and developed nations. Pangalawa naman po is, it shows technology and innovation transfer. Today's hard hats po kasi is nag-include na po sila ng smart sensors, lightweight but stronger materials, and advanced design po that are often invented in one country and quickly adapted across the globe. For example po is yung Poland po. Gumagamit po sila ng smart hard hats developed in collaboration with Knowit na nagdedetect po ng impacts, falls, and other risks po na nag-help po na ma-reduce accidents on construction sites. Sweden Bus Tagruppen po also produces the Arm Pro Smart Helmet, which uses advanced sensors po to detect dangerous impacts and automatically call for help. So this improvement is spread through international partnerships and global supply chains, proving how globalization speeds up the sharing of ideas and protects workers everywhere po. Additionally, yung mga hard hat po is kailangan pumasa sa international certifications po ng American National Standards Institutes, ISO or CE. Dahil po dito, pare-pareho po yung antas ng protection ng mga manggagawa po mula Africa, Asia hanggang Europe na nagpapakita po kung paano nagkakaisa yung iba't ibang bansa sa pagsunod sa pare-parehong safety at quality standards po. So this kind of alignment is possible only because of economic globalization, where governments, businesses, and organizations coordinate across continents. So overall po, the hard hat is more than just a protective gear. It is a global icon of interconnected economies, worldwide trade, rapid technology exchange, and the collective effort to raise industrial safety and industrial safety standards across the world po. That's all.
Okay. Again, your group. Let's hear your feedback. Sige, Miguel.
Ang narinig ko po sa hard hat nila yung technology, kasi yung may mga sensor daw po.
Aliyah. Yan siya. Maganda nga ang paliwanag ni Aliyah. Sige. Tutulungan ka na ni Mina. Sige, go, Mina.
Hindi po ba ako nawawala po kasi ng internet po.
Apo. Okay naman, Mina. Go.
Yung sa kanila po, di ba, is economic globalization po. Yung nanonood lang po is refers to the growing interconnection po. So, first po yung kay Ali, yung sa coffee, yung naiintindihan po yung is trade economy, trade and export, then cultural exchange. Then, every through Wi-Fi modem, nagagamit po natin siya through communication, like, kahit nasa ibang lugar pa po. Then, nagbabayad cellphone tayo gamit online. Then, hindi ko po naintindihan yung sa remote work niya po.
Okay. Siguro kasi nga yung connection din, no? Yung connection. Oo. Pero, what's your suggestion for para mas ma-improve yung grupo nila? Meron ka ng suggestion?
Yung kay Eric po kanina, masyado po kasi siyang mabilis magsalita, kaya hindi po ako sana nakapag-focus. Then, yung kay Ron po, ma'am, yung last po, yung sa hard hat po. Sabi niya po kasi, pinanong po sa sinabi, yung protective helmet po used all over the world. So, every country po kasi, nag-build po tayo ng mga buildings and so, nagagamit po natin sila. Then, yung ano po yung smart sensor na nabanggit po kanina.
May ano daw, may smart sensor. Sige po.
So, ayun po yung example na ginamit ko kanina is from Poland po. Gumagamit po sila ng smart hat, hard hat po na nagde-detect po ng mga impacts, falls, or other risks po para po mas maiwasan po yung mga accidents sa construction sites. Kumbaga may smart sensor po silang ginagamit sa hard hats po nila.
So, ibig sabihin, meron siyang kung babagsak na debris, maiiwasan.
Yes.
Pero sana ganun din yung ginagamit dito, no? Para hindi dumami yung na-aksidente at namamatay. Dahil sa ganung ano po, no?
Yes.
So, may suggestion ka pa, Mia? Wala na po.
Wala po. Okay naman po, yung explanation lang po yung military lang po sa talaga po. But okay na. Lalo na po yung sa smart sensor, na-explain naman po. Thank you po.
Thank you. Ayan. Sige. Meron pa pong gusto magsalita? Meron pong gusto magdagdag? Meron po ba? Sige po. On mic na lang po. On mic. Go.
Good morning po, ma'am. Awesome po to
Yes.
cultural group. So, ayun po, yung comment ko lang po is, they are very informative. When it comes to content, wala po kami nasasabi kasi it is really outstanding. In a way na yung mga present nilang objects is highly connected to the economy. In a way that, for example, yung coffee, directly connected siya to trade. Yung hard hats, it is directly connected to labor and services. And yung Wi-Fi modem, connected siya in technology and economy, the way how we get to collaborate with each other. And marami kasi nagagawa online na economic activities such as online shopping, remote jobs, etc. And I like the way how they presented their ideas. In a way that they are not totally relying on something. They know what they are saying, they know what they are presenting, and it is clear from their presentation na alam talaga nila yung sinasabi nila. And I like their points in a way that yung mga things nila are backed with scholarly references po. Yun lang. Thank you.
Okay. Ayan. So, maganda yung feedback ni Francis, no? So, okay. Anymore? Wala na? So, really, your group, when you are, actually, the three groups, it really showed good collaboration. So, pag talagang nagtrabaho, tulong-tulong, no? So, this kind of activity, nakakita natin na revelation si Aliyah. Actually, Aliyah, I would like to commend you because you really know what you're saying, and I hope you continue that inside the loop, no? Kasi from start to end, you really know what you're saying, and it's very informative. No? Yan siya. Congratulations sa'yo. Also, yung kay, sino yung sa coffee? Kay Gonzales, sino yung sa coffee po? Si Ray. Yung unang part ni Ray, medyo parang binabasa. Pwede ko pag online, mas maganda po yung camera nyo. Kasi ako yung camera ko parang nandito sa laptop ko. Yung parang itsura ng camera ay nandito sa ibaba. Pero yung maganda yung kay Aliyah, nakatingin talaga siya sa camera. So nakikita ko pagka iningin ako po kayo, pinafocus ko, kung kayo ay nagbabasa. Yung, pwede kong katulad yung sa aking camera ko nasa baba. So doon ako tumitingin. Pagka online, so try to do that. And si Ray naman nung una ay nagbabasa, parang may binabasa ka. Parang may guide, tama ba? Yun. Pero bandang muli, ang maganda sa'yo, yung makakaliwanag mo ng coffee ka. Of course, talaga nag-research ka, tama? Ayun. So I would like you to add that material kasi that's a good point, no? So additional information. Actually, napaka-enriching ng grupo ninyo. Ayun siya. So congratulations for that. And then, yung isa naman, yung Wi-Fi, no? Nakakatuwa si Prester. Gusto ko i-comment si Prester kasi kahit na umuulan, o di ba, hindi ko alam umuulan o maaraw ba yan, maaraw, okay, mainit lang. Pero, gumawa siya ng paraan, so nakakatuwa Prester, no? Na ang tawag na ay resourcefulness, discarding. No, para maipakita niya, para makita ko yung share ko, para ano ko. And I really appreciate that, no? Yung pagkakapaliwanag sa Wi-Fi, maayos din, no? Talagang, kaya lang sana ma-emphasize yung economic, yun. Yung sabi naman, kasi more on, focus siya on time speed compression. Pero, ang ganda, yung pagkakapaliwanag ni Salcedo. And, napaka-organized. Yun. So, with that, syempre ang score nyo ay perfect. So, congratulations. Ayan siya, no? So, ayun po. Rosie Aries, nung nagpapaliwanag ng una, medyo parang tulitingin. Ayan siya, no? So, mas maganda kung nandito yung camera mo, sa akin katumingin, no, sa camera mo. Inuuli ko nga na kung ano ako sa'yo, di ba? So, take away po natin, sige, last minute do or anyone, ano po yung mahalagang natutunan ninyo sa topic ninyo, ano yung pwede nyo pag-improve, at ano yung kalakasan ng grupo ninyo. Sige po, go.
So, I'll start first po. For our group po, so ang sa amin po is economic globalization. And ang pinaka-takeaway ko po dito is the economic globalization and concept niyo po is it really brings out the world's economies po. It really connects the world's economies po by allowing the free movement of goods and technology, lalo-lalo po yung technology, lalo-lalo po for our for this generation po, no? And ayun po, makikita po natin na sa bawat yung mga daily na objects na nakikita natin or yung mga hindi natin naiisip na object is connected pala sa economic globalization concept. And shown po sa mga object namin through the coffee and hard hat and the Wi-Fi modem po, yung mga examples namin is nag-demonstrate po siya ng global trade, innovation, yung innovation sharing po from different countries, and yung, of course, po interconnected na market. Lalo po sa hard hat po na example namin is nag-create po siya ng labor po or creating jobs po. So, to improve safety from the points po na binigay po ng groups namin, nakikita po natin na madami pong benefits and details pa po na hindi po natin mostly napapansin. And ayun po, from the strength naman po ng grupo natin, na comment po pala is, I like po how yung grupo namin from the first meeting po, nag-brainstorming po kami talaga, and there is an initiation po from each one of us. And ayun po, hanggang po sa GC po namin, yun po, yung initiation po ng bawat isa, na sila po yung pagkuha po nila ng roles na gusto nila for this presentation po, and also yung pag-initiate ng pag-build ng objects. And lalo po sa research, kasi ayun po, to be able po na maganda po yung presentation ng bawat reporters po namin ngayon po is mas magsisimula po yung sa foundation ng research po namin. So I will comment the research first. So reporters po namin, and ayun po, sa reporters po namin, makikita naman po na yung from other group na nag-critic sa amin, they were able to have their takeaways po, the infos and details na from our researchers and from the presenters po na nag-present ngayon, how economic, kung ano po ba talaga yung concept ng economic globalization. And siguro po, suggestion po sa group namin is, more ano pa po siguro, more time pa po siguro to collaborate with each other, since meron po initiation, but syempre po may mga naiiwan po sa sa yung mga ibang members po na hindi pa po ganun comfortable. So I hope the next time will be presenting po is mas comfortable na po kami para po mas maganda po yung outcome, since ayun po, there will be next times pa naman po. So ayun lang po.
Okay, Yasmin, congratulations also because you showed a leadership potential. Yeah, no? Yan siya, no? So see, with this kind of activity, if you really work hard and you really communicate with one another, the output really is a good luck. Diba? What's good with your group, it's back up with the research. So continue that. Especially yung ginawa din ni Aliyah, ni Gonzales, kanina, no? Ni Rain, and then ni Salcedo, yung mga sinasabi nila, back up with the research. No? Yun ang maganda, na pag nagsalita kayo, sinasabihan nyo kagad na according to, halimbawa, according to SUA 2024, so meaning, hindi siya nanggaling sa kung saan. So, ginagamit nyo talaga. And binasa ninyo ahead of time. So, I hope with the succeeding presentations, okay, you maintain this momentum. Okay? So, congratulations.